We wake up when it is still night to see the sunrise at the Fish River Canyon, one of the most suggestive landscapes in Namibia. The air is crisp, silence envelopes the landscape, and only the sound of our footsteps breaks the wait for the new day. The truck leaves us at a panoramic point, where a sign tells us about the adventures that can be experienced in this place. Challenging 5-day treks that lead to the river, an experience that would require time and preparation, but that promises to reveal the most authentic soul of this geological wonder. Before us, the canyon stretches out in all its grandeur, its sheer walls carved by time, a testament to the force of nature. The desire to explore it more deeply is strong, but our itinerary requires a tight schedule. Over 300 kilometers of transfer await us. This is the last wonder that Namibia offers us, before the journey takes us to South Africa for the last days of exploration before returning home. As the sun rises, painting the sky with shades of pink and gold, we realize how precious this moment is. Dawn is an ancient ritual, a moment that brings with it the promise of a new beginning. And here, in this wild and remote corner of the world, it seems even more intense. A few steps allow us to admire the canyon from different angles, while the morning light sculpts its contours, enhancing its beauty. It is a breathtaking sight, a final postcard of this extraordinary land that we will always carry in our hearts. Fish River Canyon is a time-sculpted wonder, a geological testament to the extraordinary power of nature. Its origin dates back to an earthquake that created a deep rift valley, allowing the river to undertake its incessant work of erosion. For millions of years, water and weather continued to shape the landscape, carving out ever deeper grooves and creating what is now the second largest canyon in the world. At its bottom, the Fish River flows only seasonally, leaving a dry, sun-cracked riverbed for much of the year, in perfect contrast to the majesty of the rocky walls that tower above it. The trail we took gave us one of the most spectacular views of the entire canyon. Each observation point offers a different perspective on this immense gorge, where the bends of the river, the steep cliffs, and the surprising desert vegetation create a contrast of shapes and colors that enchants the eye. The dawn light made the experience even more intense. The warm, golden tones were reflected on the rocky walls, revealing nuances that seemed to disappear during the day. It is a landscape that invites contemplation, an enveloping silence interrupted only by the blowing of the wind. We remain still, captured by the timeless beauty of this place, with the feeling that no matter how far you travel, there are views you never want to take your eyes off.